This is Dr. Dennis Clark, serving Lebanon, Oregon since 1981. Oral cancer is another concern. It used to be that only smokers, old people, and drinkers had oral cancer. Now, sadly, we are finding an outbreak of oral cancer among young people. Oral cancer is caused by the human papilloma virus. You can do your own self-screening for oral cancer. The things to look for would be a sore on your cheeks, gums, or in the back of your throat that does not heal, or a white or red sore in your mouth that doesn't go away, or a swelling that doesn't go away. When detected early, oral cancer is totally treatable and preventable. We can be found at 90 Market Street in Lebanon, which is down behind the River Center. And we encourage you to give us a call at 541-451-1440. That's 451-1440.